Brian Little.
Let's go ahead and get right into this review because I've been waiting on this freaking wig. Like, I ordered this wig May 1st and it's just now getting here. So this is going to be the Sensationnel Butta Lace 100% premium fiber unit. It is the HD lace. I do have Butta unit lace 3. I do have the 1B, and did I say Sensational? I don't know if I did, but this is their virtually undetected HD lace. And yeah, so I was waiting on this wig. I did order some Elevate Styles, and it took like a bit of a long time from USPS because they sent it to Louisiana and I'm in Texas. They never do that, so I don't even know what happened. And then when I got the freaking wig, I didn't even have the correct wig, so they sent me one by accident. So I'm gonna do that one in a giveaway on another video. And then they sent me this one, which it came very fast. Like, Elevate Styles, the customer service was like perfect because they was like, okay, we're sorry, we're gonna send you the wig, no problems at all. So I really do appreciate shopping on that site. And so this is the stock card up close. As you can see, it's gonna be a middle part. It does say that this part is wide, and it does have like a little bit of lace across the front, so it's supposed to be like a frontal illusion kind of wig, and that is what the unit is supposed to look like. And then they're just doing their claims on how it looks versus on a normal unit. And then on the back, it's going to be different colors that this comes in, but I want this in a 1B. So I did do Butta Lace unit 1. I love the hair texture on that unit, and I think the hairline was pretty, and that's what I'm wanting on this wig. I think those two things, that's what I'm wanting. Okay, so this is the unit out of the packaging. So I like the curl pattern. It's like a water wave, I guess you could say. Water wave crimp looking kind of style. It is pretty. It does feel nice. The hair does feel soft. It has a slight, very slight shine to it, but that makes it look like the hair has a lot of luster. It doesn't make it look like it's synthetic. And then the lace is like a light brown lace. So on the front, you are going to have two combs that are at the top by the parting space, and then you do have the comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Okay, so this is what the wig is going to look like on, and like plucking, not necessary what so freaking if. And look at that. These are the baby hairs. They just need to be trimmed down just a little bit. But look at that hairline. Hairline is bomb. And then look at that parting space. That parting space goes all the way freaking back. So yes, and then look at this hair. This hair feels so freaking buttery, like bomb. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and not cut off the lace. What am I saying? I never do that. What am I saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my concealer on the bottom of the wig, and then I'm gonna put it back on and see what we're working with. And then also, I do like to cut the extra lace on the sides. That way when I go to apply it, I don't have that problem. So that's what it looks like. I just only applied foundation. So I think, let me see. I think I'm actually going to be applying some Got2b glue because I do want this to kind of stay on the hair to last a little bit longer than what I usually do. So I'm going to be using the Got2b glue, and I'm going to be putting just like a very little bit. When you apply this, make sure you're not leaving it like that. You have to get it very smooth, and it's going to turn clear when you smoothing it out. If it's not clear when you smoothing it out, then you're going to be able to see it, and it's going to have that little residue that's on the bottom. And then now I'm going to take my baby hairs that they provide on this wig, and I'm going to twist them up and pull them back, because I don't want them to get lost in the hair. If I could pull them back. And now I'm holding it like this so that the sides can kind of hold. You know, sometimes those will flap up, but this kind of puts a little pressure, because I'm going to blow dry this on low cool for a little bit, and then I'm going to wrap it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this lace. Now I take a slit down the middle and then use my eyebrow razor to cut off so that it gives that jagged edge. After that, I'm gonna go back in with the freezing spray, and I'm actually gonna spray that on a comb and spray the parts, well, wipe the parts that came up. Then I'm going to take the head wrap right on top. Okay, so this is how it looks before doing anything to it. As far as the hair, I did just put mousse just right here. So I'm going to, because I like the hair texture, I'm gonna be applying a little bit of gel in some water. I want to see if I can get it to really, you know, kind of look like human hair, baby, because right now it's giving human hair, but because I don't know, you know, usually you don't do this, you just run your hands through it, you know, put a little mousse here and there, but I want the whole shebang, like the curls and stuff. Like, I got some in my hair, but the curls is like very pretty, and like when I have wet hair, I like baby hairs all over the front. I like it extra, so I'm about to do it. I'm gonna do only one side, so hopefully it comes out like how I want it to come out. If it don't, it's okay, you can go ahead and wash it out and proceed, do what you need to do. But okay, I'm gonna leave this side on, I'm gonna start on this side, so I'm letting y'all know before I do that. So yeah. So starting that, let's go ahead and get into this unit. So off the bat, I love this wet and wavy look. I think the curls are very pretty. It is very summertime summertime, like it's a pretty wig for summertime. The hair texture is on the silky natural side. It's not really silky, it's like a natural, not yucky, but it's that kind of type of feel to it. I guess you could say like it's not a it's like a natural silky kind of texture. So it's silky and it's not too silky. I don't know how you say it, but it's not too silky. It feels just right. It doesn't tangle too much for me, but it does shed a lot. So as I was finger combing through this wig, the wig sheds a lot. It does get frizzy, so applying mousse or wrapping foam will go ahead and help this unit out. As you did see, I did apply some water as well as gel because I did want to keep the wet kind of look. I wanted to stay the same. The baby hairs, they're already plucked for you, and the hairline is plucked for you, so I didn't pluck either or. All I did was trim down the baby hairs and lay those down with my edge booster. And then also I applied concealer in the part. I did use my Maybelline Fit Me in the color Cafe, and on bottom I did apply foundation. So this wig is very easy to put on and go type of wig. The wig cap is big, so in the back it is kind of loose, so this wig is gonna be big head friendly. So with just putting this wig on, you're gonna have to use Got to Be Glued or the gel, whichever one you prefer, because it is going to slide back because it is kind of big. So that's about the only thing that you'll have with this wig. What I do not like is that the hair is a smidget on the thin side, but then again it is good for summer because it's not a lot of hair and it feels very it feels lightweight. And then another con that I'm gonna have is right here in the crown. It is very thin and it's like, it feels like I'm just touching track after track after track. Like, I'm not sure if you can see any tracks, but I feel like there's a track right here, there's one right here, and there's one right here. So I feel like the tracks are showing. It's very thin as far as the back, and I think that's about it as far as the con. It's just thin in the back, like right here, but it's like pretty, like you can't tell me this is not my hair. Like, she's ready for summer. This is very, very pretty. It's just, you know, on the little thin side, which is not a problem because you can kind of fluff it out. But you know, I like this wet kind of look, so it's cute for right now. But I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, you can leave those down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video.